Hello, students. Here we are, already working on the next chapter of this module. This video is going to look deeper into how peers might impact adolescents, especially in this age of transition. Let's jump in. As you know, this module will cover 4 chapters: families, peers, schools, and work. You have 3 assignments. You have 2 activities. The 2 activities are your responses to videos in this week's presentation. You will get credit for your posts on these Padlets. Let's see what this presentation has in store. Remember, the link is posted here. We start this chapter with a video of a youth from an Alabama high school that helps us consider how perceptions of students can be drawn along ethnic lines and impact some students negatively. This video begins to highlight how we view our world through a very individualized filter. This filter is shaped by our life experiences, our history, our culture, our belief systems. When we view the world, it is through this filter that we see. It then behooves us to consider how then our shared history impacts the filter we use to view the world, and how this history has repercussions today. To help us understand this filter, it is important to look at our shared history of oppression and resistance in this country and how it created narratives of who we are as a people, built narratives of prejudice. The other question to consider is, how does a shared history give some people an advantage, for example, in the Oklahoma land rush, and create disadvantage in others, as in the clearing of the land of indigenous people through force and massacre. Please watch all of the Oklahoma land rush video, and for the West, you are welcome to watch all of it, or there are suggestions of starting and stop times in the notes of the slide. When you are done, please post your response on the Padlet for this video. Respond to the questions: how do these different realities and experiences impact us today? How does prejudice play a role then and now? Remember, your post will be graded. We continue looking at peer relationships by taking a deeper look at cyberbullying. One of the first areas to reflect on is the difference between how we respond to physical bullying and virtual bullying. With physical bullying or fights, we run in to help students by breaking it up and helping them resolve it more effectively. In a virtual reality, we block sites where cyberbullying happens and think that takes care of it. However, that is like a fight breaking out in a cafeteria and shutting the doors and saying nothing is happening. To help us look deeper into how to respond to cyberbullying, let's look at a case given to us through the website of Common Sense Media. Watch Stacy's story, and then look over the questions posed here and respond to these on this Padlet. This is the second Padlet that your post will be graded. That's it for peers. Continue completing your other assignments, and I'll see you next week in person. Until then, reach out anytime with any questions.